Prime B6. Oh, my back itches.
Send her home. If you have a blue banana, see your doctor immediately. He should be very concerned.
Blue banana.
What GPU should you buy?
Oi!
Crypto is dying! Buy! Fire sale! Fire sale! Do you ever get sad? Do you ever feel sad?
A EVGA, no PNY. You want GPU prices that'll just knock you out of your seat? Well, let us tell you about them.
Wow, he really went there. Gunyear.
Gunyear?
Spatium and Gunyear.
So it ends up making the G kind of silent. Gunyear. And I'm gonna guess that. And I'm gonna guess that PNY probably sent it to us. So, rip. He dead. Oh, he's back. Oh, he dead.
He's back.
He dead.
And now he's dead.
Now he dead. He's not.
We're not gonna forgive you, McAllister. I don't really like this. It's like.
Oh, I like how you can actually get to it though.
It is easy to get to. Display is just kind of, you know.
I'm gonna open you up and see what's inside.
Okay.
Have an A data. Is that 512?
512.
I'm pretending like I'm doing an outro, but I'm not. Oh.
Are we doing this to him? We're torturing him.
So for the first two, this is just a really general overview. I didn't know I could do that.
Hey, hello. Howdy.
3, 4, 1. Let us know. Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Daddy wants.
What daddy wants.
Peace out, Girl Scout gamer girls.
But
I'll say hello, we're good? All
hello. 3, 2, 1. I wanted love.
What did you just say?
Nothing. I said let's open this box up.
Is that what you said?
I said Happy Pride Month, Matt.
Yes.
Goes without
This is getting ridiculous. Will we get RGB or is it just solid
Oh, it's
colors?
gonna have RGB. I can already tell. I'm contemplating in real life.
Forza 5, exclamation point, escape. There you go. All right, Prello, I need a refresher on this one.
Bailo. Was this the one that like Zach sent us or something, or was this?
This is a gigabyte sample.
Wow.
What price are we looking at? Wow, what would you guess the prices of it?
20 grand. All right.
All right, here we go.
Heard your voice tremble. Let's see what's in. Done if I did that and it went all the way through.
You went for the kill.
Mortar.
Mortar.
Think Call of Duty. Mortar. For the motherboard, we went with.
Ooh, owl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Outro. Outro.
The worst rated Walmart laptop. Hello.
Do you remember?
Stupid computer. Yeah. Thanks to Team Group if you did. And
PNY.
if you didn't, still thanks.
PNY.
Fuck Team Group. God. Okay.
Looking for a pre-built gaming
I hate
PC?
that. I was
Got you
wonderful.
covered. All right. Oh, nice. The link doesn't work. Good. There goes Zach. Broken link. Smile.
Jack and Matt here with the Toastybros.
What the hell?
You remember I told you we need to change up the intro?
What we're gonna be doing is throwing this.
You remember when I Houdini'd earlier and you were just like, whoa,
You
this is a
wizard
magic
bitch.
man. Wizard bitch.
This display. I don't even know if that's correct. I'm gonna actually verify that.
Wumbo.
Well, we're probably going to redo that one. We're gonna have to redo it because it's locked at 60. So yeah. Woo, you're not gonna see this. Let's stop what we're doing right now.
Wide quality.
This thing is $2,200.
Scar! Can I do it all epic?
Hello.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Can we get that static? Can we get the mic cut out?
You know what it is. Hello, hello.
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 No GPU gaming in 2022 and it's sponsored by MSI.
3, 2, 1. Woo! My nose itches.